To What's Cooking in the Lowcountry with Chef Lynn Michelle. Here we are at a very special secret location where I do my cooking classes here at Rollers Wine and Spirits on 9 Palmetto Bay Road. It's a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. We'll have a tour of the kitchen in a little bit. But first of all, here's a beautiful old stove here. I have my assistant here, Miss Janie, and we are gonna put together an arugula salad. I start with arugula salad. It's nice and spicy, peppery. I'm gonna add some fresh fennel to it. And I have some carrot strips. I love a lot of color in my salads. I'm gonna add a little bit of mixed coleslaw, a little bit of cucumber in here, red cabbage for some pop of color, some tomatoes. And of course, we have some nice pomegranate for antioxidants, nice, healthy. I love lots of little crisp and bite. So I'm gonna just mix this up real well with my gloves on without the dressing, because how often does your hands get all goopy because we have the dressing? So I wanna make sure all my stuff in here is all nice and mixed a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. And I have this wonderful pepper mill. Put some pepper in, olive oil. I have some nice pear, cranberry, balsamic vinegar. And also, if you have any favorite framboise here, you can add that to this. So I'm just gonna toss my salad. There we go. And so now we're going to incorporate this in just a little bit, but I want to go over here and talk about some wonderful crab cakes that we're going to place on top of our mixed fennel arugula salad. Now we have Miss Janie, we're baking our crab cakes back here, but over here what it is we have East Coast crab cakes, which is, I mix it with some Ritz crackers, peppers, onions, a little bit, so it's just an East Coast. But the special thing about these are the Fusky devil crabs. What it is devil crabs are originated in Tampa, Florida, and is originated from the Spanish. So what it is that you can get these metal tins, you can order those, but the traditional way is, how beautiful is this? That they are placed, the mixture is placed inside of a real crab, and this is what it is. So these are the local, we say here on Hilton Head Island, these are the local gullah devil crabs here. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to plate up a nice little salad. And when we take these cooking classes here at Rollers with Chef Lynn Michelle, what it is that these are what I will teach you. The difference, we'll get more in depth into cooking the different crab cakes, what it entails and where they all originated, because it is all up and down the East Coast. And if you really think about it, how many varieties of crab cakes are you aware of? Maryland crab cakes, there's just so many to be told. So that's why I dub mine the East Coast Chef crab cake. So we're going to put our salad together. Miss Janie's going to give me a crab cake here. So we have our luscious salad here with our crab cakes. And of course, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon on here. We're going to dress it up. It's just like a canvas. How many of you like to paint? So I have my little canvas here. You have your little wedge of lemon that they want to put on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and decorate it a little bit. So I want to make this is my piece of art. We see? I got to get some confetti here. I like some mixed peppers. Make this pop, not too much because it's just going to ruin the canvas a little bit. But here we go. There's some color. And then I have some unbelievable, yummy blue cheese that I want to add to this. It'll be a little bit of, crunchy, sour of the blue cheese. You can use gorgonzola, feta cheese, shredded mozzarella, whatever it is that you like. And then we're going to put a little tomatoes on here. And voila, we have a crostini here. Add a crostini. The crostini is you slice the baguette, put olive oil on it, Italian dressing, stick it in the oven for about 400 for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna put a couple crostinis here. There you go, voila. And let's eat. Thank you for tuning in to What's Cooking in the Lowcountry with Chef Lynn Michelle here at Rollers Wine and Spirits at 9 Palmetto Bay Road.